Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy, and I like to talk about my makeup. Today I have my update for my project, the Love My Makeup Project. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Alright, this is my bi-monthly? I don't know. This is my update for a project that I created. It is called the Love My Makeup Project. It is a small project with 3 items for 10 uses. And yeah, you can take as long as you want to finish them. It is sort of a schedule filler. And I decided to do mine with 1 product for my eyes, 1 for my cheeks, face, and 1 for my lips. And yeah, take 10 uses and use them as often as possible. There is no end date. You are welcome to join if you like. I am currently being joined by Unapologetically Shelley, and we did have her cousin Sheryl from The Whole Bucket joining us as well. If you want to join, just let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section, and or tag me in your video, and I will be sure to follow you and watch what's going on. But I am working on 3 products because that's how many there are in this project. The first product I am working on is an eyeshadow from my I Heart Revolution Mermaid Hearts palette, and I randomly selected the shade number 8, which is this one right here, and so far I've used it 5 times. I have half my uses. Yay! I do have it today. It is on my lower lash line along with a little bit of black. But I have 5 more uses to go on this. I brought this in back in October. So, you know, you can take as long as you want to work on these products in this project. I also haven't been wearing a lot of makeup lately, and this palette keeps getting pushed to the back in favor of other things, but I am trying to focus on it more. I am wearing it today, and yeah, we'll see what we can do and hopefully get that out sometime in the near future, because I feel bad that's been in since October. But then again, I have eyeshadows that have been in since July that are still in projects, so yeah. It's June now, in case you're not watching this right now. Alright, and then the next product is my lip product, and for that I brought in from Kokie. It is their lip powder, which I just saw in the store, so apparently it's still available. It is like a liquid lip, but it is a very thin, lightweight formula that dries down to, I guess, sort of a powdery finish. Mine is in the shade Claret, and I have used it 8 times. I have 2 more uses left to go. I should have worn it today, but I didn't. I'm wearing this other color instead. And then finally, my cheek product is from Ilia. It is their Ilia multistick. I guess it's just their multi-stick. I mean, it's from Ilia. And this is in the shade At Last. And that is it there. And I am not wearing this today, but it is lovely. I can give you swatches of everything, I guess. So there is a swatch of that. I've been using, since it is a multi-stick, I can use it on my lips, but I do use it as a cream blush. And that is what it looks like blended out. The lip powder. There you go. Looks like that is a nice sort of, I don't know. It's that color. It's that color. Words descriptions failing me right now. And the eyeshadow. That one I can describe. It's a beautiful teal. There we go. So those are the 3 products I am working on. And yeah. Oh, I've only used, sorry, I don't think I said, I've used this twice. I have 8 more uses to go. And I brought that one in April. Last time I did an update. So that is it, short and sweet, just like this project, short and sweet. You can do this rolling style if you want, or just pick 3 products and work on them for 10 uses, whatever makes you happy. I am easygoing that way, and this is a project about getting love out of your makeup. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a video. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you later. Bye.